In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up a customer support desk in Monday.com. By the end of this, you'll know the fastest way to use Monday.com for handling customer support, even if you're new to the platform. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is set up a new board specifically for customer support. Go to your Monday.com dashboard and click Add New in the board section. Choose a blank board, or you can even use a template. If you use a template, it'll save you time by providing pre-built workflows, but I'll walk you through setting it up manually in case you want a more customized approach. Next thing, create columns for the essential customer support data. You'll need columns for things like customer name, issue description, priority level, and status. You can also add columns like Assign To, where you can assign the task to a team member, and Due Date, so that issues don't slip through the cracks. With these basic columns, you have a solid starting point. Now that your board is set up, it's time to make sure it's efficient. The third thing to do is automate repetitive tasks. Monday.com offers plenty of automation options, like automatically notifying the assigned agent when a new issue is added, or changing the status from New to In Progress when someone starts working on it. Automations like these will save your team time and reduce human error. The fourth thing is integrating other tools. Monday.com integrates well with tools like Gmail, Slack, and Zendesk. If you're using email or chat for customer support, you can integrate those platforms with Monday.com. For example, emails from customers can be automatically turned into tickets in your customer support board, so everything stays in one place. Next up, let's talk about tracking customer support performance. Monday.com provides analytics features that allow you to see how well your team is handling issues. You can view how long it takes to resolve issues and see what areas need improvement. However, while Monday.com does offer some reporting tools, they're fairly basic compared to other platforms. Which brings us to an important point. Monday.com can be a solid choice for basic customer support tasks, but if you're looking for something with more advanced features like customer satisfaction tracking, omni-channel support, or in-depth ticket management, you might need to consider other options. Platforms like Freshdesk or Zendesk offer these features out of the box and might be a better fit for a dedicated customer support desk. Now, let's wrap this up. I've given you the steps to set up a customer support desk in Monday.com, but here's the catch. While Monday.com is great for basic setups, it's not the best solution if you need more advanced support capabilities. However, don't worry, I've got you covered. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial for Monday.com, but I've also included some fantastic alternatives that I think are even better for customer support desks, and they also offer free trials. You won't find these extended trials anywhere else, so make sure to check out the links below.